P&G Manufacturing is a complete metalworking facility for quality production of products for the nuclear, biological, and pharmaceutical industries. We are a 26-year-old company with low overhead, high flexibility, and a growing reputation for dependability and performance. The bag in, bag out side access high efficiency air filter housing is a permanent housing designed to hold either gasket or gel seal filters. It is an all welded product designed for critical clean air exhaust applications. In order to complete the bag in, bag out procedure, maintenance workers will need to be clothed in Tyvek coveralls, hard hat, gas mask, and gloves. The tools required for this procedure are a 3/4 inch socket, bag changeout kit, banding cutter, and duct tape. Prior to beginning the procedure, maintenance workers should consult safety officers or HP personnel for safety precautions and procedures. Before the filter can be changed, airflow to the system must be stopped by shutting down the system or bypassing the airflow to another unit. Close the upstream and downstream dampers to minimize contamination. To begin the bag in, bag out filter replacement, first remove filter access doors. Use a table or install the filter changeout tray to assist in filter changeout and unroll the bag from inside the access doors. Remove the bag strap. For gasket seal locking mechanisms, use a socket wrench to release the filter from the sealing surface. For gel seal filters, reach through the gloves built into the bag and release the locking arm. Remove filter from unit using gloves built into the bag and using the filter changeout tray for support. It is important to make sure that the edges of the filter do not tear the bag, risking exposure to contaminants. Slide the bag over the filter until the filter is in the back of the bag. Twist the bag between the filter and the unit using either provided tie wraps or duct tape to secure an area about 2 to 3 inches apart. Take one metal strap from the banding kit bag, bend in a circle around the bag, insert one end of the strap through the other end of strap, and insert into the band cutter. Using the ratchet on the band cutter, tighten the band as tightly as possible. Repeat for the other band, and while tightening the band, keep it as close as possible to the other strap to aid in cutting the bag. This will keep the cut edge as smooth as possible to prevent any loss of contamination in the cut edge of the bag. Using the bag cutter, cut the bag. Cover the metal strap on the ends of the bag to prevent the metal from cutting the bag anywhere. Duct tape may be used in lieu of tie wraps. Remove bagged filter from filter support shelf and dispose of according to procedures. To install the new filter, remove the filter from the box, taking care not to damage the filter. If you are replacing a gasket seal filter, apply a thin film of grease to the gasket to aid in gasket memory retention. Turn the filter on its side with its pleats in the horizontal position. Failure to align the pleats in this position will prevent them from lining up properly for installation. Being careful not to tear the bag, install the new bag over the filter with the filter touching the back of the bag. Put the new filter in the bag onto the filter switch out shelf. Pull the bag with shock cord forward past the ring on the unit. Attach the new bag over the old bag and push to the back of the bagging ring. Attach a bag strap over the bag and bagging ring. Pull tight and secure. Pull the old bag into the new bag and either pull the old part into one of the gloves or position it in the back of the bag behind the new filter. Push the new filter into the unit, assuring that the gasket is lining up correctly with the seal surface. With a gasket seal filter, use a socket with handle to tighten down top and bottom locking trays, average 13 foot-pounds each. With a gel seal filter, ensure that the filter retractor clips are installed correctly on the top and bottom of the locking tray. Fold the bag back into the unit. At the door, turn the bag over and over a few times to tighten the bag on the sealing lip. Apply clinching strap and secure. Hold the bag in place and replace the door. Reapply star knobs and hand tighten. Contact maintenance for system startup. Once the system is operational, use the qualified isokinetic scan system to perform an in-place scan on the newly installed HEPA filters. Use the scan system controls to raise, lower, and slide the testing system. As the scanners move over the HEPA filter, it will test for any contaminants.